you're going to be doing a magic texture project. So what you're going to be doing today, you're going to be doing something that looks like this. You're just going to be creating this really cool textured background that you'll get to do back and front. So you will have texture plates, and you will have what I call naked crayons, because there are no wrappers on these crayons. That's very important, because we are not going to use these crayons the way we normally use crayons in the classroom. You're not going to be writing with the crayon. You're actually going to be putting the crayon on its belly and rubbing the crayon across. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a texture plate. You're just going to put it somewhere under your paper, and you're going to take your crayon, put it on its belly, and you're going to rub. And this is why it's called a magic texture project, because it's magic. Look at that. All right, so you want to use different colors. So maybe this time I want to use an orange. And maybe I want a different texture plate this time. So maybe I just want to kind of move my paper around. And I would suggest you move your paper around, not so much the plate, but your paper. So I've got some white space here. I'm going to kind of hold the plate, hold my paper, and voila. Beautiful. And see how I can kind of move my paper? I can turn it this way. Beautiful. All right, so let me get another plate and another color. Maybe I want to do blue. You can actually flip your plate this way or this way. You could do both. I'm going to kind of hold my plate. I got it. I want to hold it, because if I don't hold it, you're just going to do this. You got to make sure you hold it. Ooh, I like that one. And again, I can move my paper wherever I want over that plate. You see, like I've got white space on the side, so I'm going to move my paper over and go over that texture. And I think I want a different plate, and I want a different color. So again, I'm going to put the plate, and I think I want this little pinkish color. I'm going to hold it and rub. Ooh, I like that. And again, I can just take my paper and just scoot it all over that texture plate. And you want to make sure that you fill up your entire paper. So maybe I want to get this corner up here because I've got some white space. I can even take and go over some of my other texture. You can do that. Look at how pretty that is. I got texture over texture. You want to use lots of different, I have lots of different cool, I want to change colors. Let's see. Ooh, I don't want this color. Again, you're just going to, it's just like a gray. And again, don't be afraid to go over your other texture. That's okay. It's going to look cool. And again, I can move this wherever I want. Maybe I feel like I have too much white somewhere. I can just move my paper over the texture plate. So when you're done, you should have something that looks about like this. And then guess what? You get to flip it over, and you get to do the back side if you want. Okay, so this is our texture project, and you get to carry these out with you today. All right, have fun.